Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Today is Wednesday here in Toronto. Actually, everywhere in the world. I don't know why I say in Toronto. Anyways, if you are not new here, you know what happens on Wednesdays. Let me fix the oops. Oh my god, what is happening today? If you are not new here, you know what happens on Wednesdays. We go to Costco because it's when I do my weekly grocery. And of course, I'm gonna bring you with me. I just came back from the gym, so I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna get ready, maybe I'm gonna have a coffee, I don't know, and then I'm gonna bring you with me to Costco. Let's go. Finishing my makeup, I made myself a lovely cup of coffee and settled down to edit my latest vlog. There is something truly therapeutic about starting my day with a creative flow. Then it was time for my weekly grocery run at Costco. Here's what I picked up and why each item is a healthy choice. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, great for heart and brain health. Bananas. Packed with potassium, they help in maintaining heart health and blood pressure. Chicken thighs, a good source of lean protein essential for muscle repair and growth. Sweet potatoes, high in fibers and vitamins, particularly vitamin A, supporting immune health. Whey protein powder, helps in muscle recovery and provides a quick, lean protein source. Organic spring mix, loaded with a variety of greens offering vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Carrots, high in beta-carotene, which is excellent for eye health. Butter, contains healthy fats and vitamins, beneficial in moderation. Cottage cheese, high in protein and calcium, supports bone health. Olive oil is heart healthy and great for flavorful cooking. Smoked oysters, rich in zinc and iron, supporting immune function. Tuna in olive oil, provides lean protein and healthy fats, great for heart health. Protein bars, convenient source of protein and often added vitamins and minerals. So I just came back from Costco. Nothing much difference from what we usually get from there. Let me show a few things. The only thing that is different, the only thing that was not on the list, I saw this, how can I say, a set, olive oil set with 4 different flavors, and I got interested, and they are organic olive oil, so I thought, yeah, they must be good. And they come in 4 different flavors: garlic, basil, chili pepper, and rosemary. I have high expectations for this one. And the other things, I got whey protein. My husband is the one who drinks the whey protein shake. I don't usually drink, but yeah, but I make the protein cookies with this. So if you already watched the vlogs, I actually already baked them several times here in the vlog. Another thing that I want to show to you is this protein bar. It's from Costco. It's a Kirkland signature protein bar. And after analyzing different brands, actually this one is the best one, the best option of all of the brands I analyzed it, because they have, let me try to read without my glasses. Each bar has, where can I see it? Each bar has 21 grams of protein. It's a lot of protein, and only 5 grams of sugar. So we eat this every day after lunch, and it's addictive because it's good. It tastes good, actually. It tastes better than any other protein bar I ever had. So if you want to buy, be aware that once you try it, you cannot live without it. Let me see if there's another thing. Yeah, I got smoked oysters. We always have them here because we like to put on our pizza, on our Sunday pizza, so we always have. It's interesting protein to have. I got butter because I need it. Cottage cheese. I didn't know they have. I was looking for this for a long time, but I didn't know it was not in the cheese area. It was close to the butter. I don't know why, so now I got it. Sweet potatoes, because they are better than the white ones. They are complex carbohydrates, so they have fiber, they have more nutrients, they are more satiating. I got banana every week for my husband. I got carrots, oh yeah, and I got tuna cans, and it's always a good idea to have them at home because I already showed, it's easy way to add protein to a meal. Sometimes you are in a hurry, so you can cook a noodle or a spaghetti and add this to your sauce, and you already have protein. The only thing that you have to be aware is try to buy in olive oil because it's healthier. Avoid like sunflower oil and other types of oil, but it's always a good idea to have them. Greens, always organic. Anytime you buy leaves, you have to buy organic. Carrots, I got salmon. I'm gonna portion them and freeze. And another thing that I got was organic chicken thighs. I alternate the parts of the chicken we buy here. I always have chicken, but sometimes we buy thighs, sometimes we buy drumsticks. Of course, breast is the healthiest option, but they sometimes are kind of boring, right? Don't overthink. Buy thighs if you prefer, buy drumsticks. The only thing I always say, try to buy organic, try to not fry them, do not bread them. Actually, I have a vlog in which I showed how we make chicken wings in a healthier way, I would say. The key is, if you have an air fryer, use it. Don't deep fry, don't bread it, and you're going to be fine. So that's it. Now I'm gonna eat something because I'm hungry, and then after lunch I'm gonna portion the protein I got. After my grocery shopping adventure at Costco, I took some time to carefully put away all the healthy items I picked up. Organizing my kitchen is not just about neatness, it's about setting myself up for success in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. When everything has its place, it's easier to make nutritious choices throughout the week. enjoying a nutritious lunch, I dedicated some time to portioning the protein I bought. This is a key step in my meal prep routine, ensuring that I have healthy options readily available throughout the week. First, I tackle the salmon. I carefully cut it into individual fillets. This not only makes it easier to cook single servings, but also helps in mindful eating. I then turned my attention to the chicken thighs, dividing them into portions. Portion control is crucial for maintaining a balanced diet. Once everything was neatly portioned, I stored all the protein in the freezer. For dinner, I embraced the joy of cooking a wholesome and delicious meal. I started by cooking carrots and broccoli, both bursting with nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. I then cooked them alongside quinoa, a superfood known for its all 9 essential amino acids. Next, I focus on the salmon. To add a burst of flavor, I prepared a mixture of soy sauce and honey. This combination brings a beautiful balance of savory and sweet, enhancing the natural flavors of the salmon. Then I baked them in the oven at 450 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This meal not only satisfied my taste buds, but also provided a range of health benefits, from the heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids in the salmon to the fiber in the vegetables and quinoa. It's a testament to how delicious and easy it can be to nourish our bodies with the right foods. Remember, nourishing your body with healthy food is a form of self-respect. Keep glowing with good health and positivity. Namaste.